Hello children, now second class mathematics. What is our see children? In previous class 12 bits will completed, now 13th bit. Observe the subtraction of pairs of numbers in each row. One of the answers is different. Identify and circle it. One example is given. See children here. See 7 minus, first of all you observe, write here answers, will easy way only. 7 minus 0, 7, 4 minus 3, 1. Here also same. 7 minus 0, 7, 3 minus 2, 1. So here 17, here 17. 7 minus 0, 7, 6 minus 5, 1. Here 87 minus 40. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 4, 4 only. So which one is different? Their three answers will be same. This last answer will be different. So that's why we are circling these numbers. Okay. Next then a question. See children, 36 minus 21. So in subtraction to children, first of all you should be take ones place number. This number will take 6 minus 1. How much? 6 minus 1. Say 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. 15. So 36 minus 21 equals to 15. Next 67 minus 52. 7 minus 2. First of all you check ones place numbers only. First of all you do subtraction in ones place number. 7 minus 2. 5. 6 minus 5. 1. Here 6 minus 2 in ones place number. 46 minus 32 having here. So children, 6 minus 2 how much? 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So here 15 will come. Here 14. Here also we'll check afterwards which answer is different. That too circling. Okay. 6 minus 1. 5. 2 minus 1. 1. So these three answers will be same. 15, 15, 15. This one only different. So you circle this one. So in pencil to write here answers, this circle also will do. Okay. Next one. 59 minus 42. 59 minus 42. In 59 number 2 ones place, which number is there? Which number are there? 9. Here 2. 9 minus 2. How much? Count children. Count and say 9 minus 2 how much? 7. 7. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 how much? 5 minus 4. 1. So 59 minus 42 equals to 17. Here 77 minus 16. 77 minus 16. 7 minus 6 how much? 7 minus 6? 1. 7 minus 6? 1. 7 minus 1? 6. 61. Here 7 minus 0? 7. 4 minus 3? 1. Here 38 minus 21. Which number is this? 38 minus 21. So here children, here 8, here 1. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 7. 3 minus 2. 1. Observe children in B question 2. Which answer is different? So pair of no. pair that numbers will, which one? 77 minus 16. This pair only will different. Okay, you circle it, children. Next one, 48 minus 15. 77 minus 44. 68 minus 35. 76 minus 53. 48 minus 15. See here, 8 minus 5. How much? 8 minus 5? Count. 5 to 8 count. 6, 7, 8. 3. 4 minus 1. 3. 33. 48 minus 15 equals to 33. 77 minus 44. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. So here also 33 will came. Here we'll check. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. So these three answers will be same. I think this one is different. Once check it. 6 minus 3, 3. 7 minus 5, 2. So this one is different. Here all 33 answers will came. And the last one is 23 answers. So this answer will be different. So circle it. Next one. Observe the series of numbers. Write the next two numbers in each row. Example 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So observe, children, here 2 will subtracting and writing here. Here also will like that only. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2 how much? 5 minus 2, 3. Good. 3 minus 2 how much, children? Count. 3 minus 2. How much, children? 3 to 2 cut it. How much having? How many having remaining? 1. So here write 1. Next one. Here 9 minus 2 only having. Here minus 2. Here 12 having 9, 6. Here minus 3. 12 minus 3. You count 12 to 3 cut it. How much? 9. Already given 9 here. 9 to minus 3. 6. Very good. 6 minus 3. How much? 3. 3 minus 3. 0. Are you understand, children? Okay, now 30, 25, 20 is given. Here 30. So here minus 5 will subtraction here. 30 minus 5 how much? 25. 25 minus 5, cut it minus 5. 20. 22 minus 5, cut it. 15. Then cut minus 5. 10. Understand, children? Okay, write this all. Okay, children? Now, next chapter, subtraction of numbers. What is our next chapter? Subtraction of numbers using regrouping. So, observe the notes and coins. Say how much is 45 minus 27. Lata went to, see, they are having one girl. Lata went to a shop with 45 rupees. She bought things for 27 rupees. She gave the shopkeeper 45 rupees she had. He gave her 8 rupees. She doubted whether he gave her the correct amount. She calculated as below. You observe her calculation. She gave 45 rupees only for shopkeeper too. So he brought 27 rupees of things she bought. So remaining, the shopkeeper return how many rupees will given? 8 rupees only given. She doubted. That person will giving correct amount or wrong amount. She calculated like this only. 45 minus 27. 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5 rupees. We cannot subtract 7. See here. There up only small number having, down big number having. How to subtract? Now directly is not possible. So, but it is possible. So, it is possible if we change 110 as 10 ones. 110 having. So, this 10 rupees note to. So, 10 ones. Once 1 rupee coins, tens will taking. So, here 110 equals to 10 ones. So, she is taking like this only. Then, she do subtraction. See here. So, total how many 1 rupees coins are there? She making like this only. 3 tens and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here there before 5 ones having, then 4 tens having. Now 3 tens and 15 ones having. How many ones having? 15 ones. In that 15 ones to this like she subtracting only. 27 rupees, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 will subtracting here. See, one red line is there. So, remaining is, see, how many remaining? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is remain. But the shopkeeper, how much money he gave? For Lata, only 8 rupees only he gave. But how many remain? How much money remaining? 110 and 8 ones. 110 and 8 ones. So 18 is remaining. Remaining 8. Okay children, we can do it in a different way also. This way also we will doing. See here. If one of the 4 10 changes, see here, 45 minus 27. Here 5 having, here 7 having. 5 ones are less than 7 ones. If we change 110 out of 410 into ones, so here to here when bar will come and add to 5 we get 15 here. We get 15 ones minus 7 ones. 15 ones minus 7 ones. So how much? 8 ones. Here if 4 tens changed into ones. So we have now 3 tens. 3 tens minus 2 tens. 1. So this like 110 equals to how many ones? 10 ones. 110 equals to 10 ones. See here children. See. 20 plus 7 equals to 27. We'll subtracting here too. The red color having. That red color line only subtracting. Remaining how many? 1, 18, 10, 18. See. So 4, here 5 is bar will going, 15, 15 minus 7, 8, there 1 will going this side, that's why remaining 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So 18 only having. Okay children, are you understand? So you do subtract children. Okay, now observe the series of numbers. Say what you understand. 50. See here 50 having. Then 45, here 30, 40, 50, 45, 40. 5 will subtracting only beads here. So here how many? 35. Then 30. Here 25. So here also will be right. 35, 30, 25. So now if you observe the dots, they are decreasing at the rate of 5. So decreasing 5 only decreasing. Here 5 decreasing, here will be 5 decreasing, here also decreasing. Decreasing only. Taggutu undi kada, decreasing. Here to 5 decreasing, here also 5 decreasing, 30 will come. 30 will 5 decreasing, 25 will become. So children, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25. In the same manner, write the next 3 numbers in the following series. See, here 2 decreasing only 50, 48, 46. Then 2 decrease it 44, 42, 40. Then here 5 decreasing 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55. Are you right, children? Right? Right, children? Okay, children. In next topic, in next class, I am explaining. Okay, children.